So I want to give you the idea of foiling, right? So foiling idea. So here's the setup. I have two quantities, A plus B, and I want to multiply by C plus D. Okay? Please note, right, that there's two things here multiplied by two things here. That's the only time foiling is going to be your jam, right? So pictorially, what's going on is I've got a rectangle, and it's A and B on one side, and it's C and then D on the other. This thing here, right, is really the area of that rectangle that I'm talking about. So I think I can rewrite the area of that rectangle by talking about the area of these little rectangles. So if I note, this one's A by C, so its area is AC. This little guy is B by C, so its area is BC. This dude down here is A on the long side by D on the short side, so AD there. BD here means that I should be able to rewrite this thing as AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. And because that's a kind of a mouthful, we made up this acronym FOIL. So this thing here is the first, right? It's the first thing out of the first thing and the first thing out of the second thing. So I multiplied those together. AD is the outside things, right? That's A and D, the things that are on the outside. And then there's BC, which is the things on the inside. BC. And then there's BD, which is these guys, which I'm sure you guys will realize is the lasts. So FOIL, right, is just a way to remember that you multiply the first, you multiply the outsides, you multiply the insides, you multiply the lasts together. Remember, that only works when you have two things added together times two things added together. Cool?